For these next couple of examples here, we have a base being added to some ammonium, and once again we have that ammonium-ammonia switcheroo that's happening, where this NH4 plus could take one of its H pluses and move it over here, turn it into water, and the product is ammonia. Here again, NH4 plus could combine with OH minus. The H plus goes with OH minus to make our water. It leaves ammonia behind. These examples up here that we were doing, the ammonia was the reactant, ammonium product. Here we have ammonium reactant, ammonia product. But it's really just moving that H plus back and forth. Right? Well, previously we were looking at some reactions where we had nonmetal oxides reacting with water. And in all of those cases, nonmetal oxides reacting with water made acids. So if you had, for example, carbon dioxide, that's a nonmetal with oxygen, right? If you put that in water, it would make carbonic acid. So what happens if you take those nonmetal oxides and react them with bases? Well, it's basically, if you think about it like a two-step process, the first thing that's going to happen, if you take carbon dioxide gas and bubble it through a potassium hydroxide solution, solution implies that it's been dissolved in water, right? So your carbon dioxide gas is in the presence of water. So we have a nonmetal oxide near water. It's going to make an acid, a common acid. That's step one. Then, if you could think about that acid that forms when this nonmetal oxide combines with the water part of the solution, the acid from that reacts with your base. So potassium hydroxide, K plus, OH minus. Then the carbonic acid reacting with that hydroxide, you're going to have that hydrogen ion transfer again, right? That H2CO3, and H from that is going to combine with the hydroxide to make water, and it leaves HCO3 with a -1 charge behind. If it helps, you could kind of think about adding these reactions together, where in the first reaction, H2CO3 is a product. Over here, the H2CO3 is a reactant. So if we added together reaction 1 and reaction 2, they would cancel out. Our water in the first reaction is a reactant. In the next reaction, it's a product. So these guys would cancel out. And then what we have left, carbon dioxide and hydroxide. And then over here, HCO3 minus. Same thing happens in these other couple of examples. You have a nonmetal oxide being added to water. It makes a common acid in step 1. Then take